Are you looking for exclusive Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals on water filtration? Well, we've got them. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy. I've got our 10 most popular replacement water filtration cartridges on sale, 35% off. We've also got our water filtration systems on sale, 20% off. Our popular Clack valved water softeners, tannin filters, iron filters, sulfur filters, all on sale, 20% off our already discounted pricing. And we've got our 3-stage ultraviolet disinfection system. And we've got our Water Saver 75 reverse osmosis system. It's all of our best stuff on sale, 20% off for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Our 10 most popular replacement water filter cartridges are on sale, 35% off. You do need to order 5 of each to take advantage of that deal, but it's a great time to stock up for the new season. If you have concerns about the safety, taste, smell, discoloration, or staining that's being caused by your water, now's the time to take advantage of these great deals to invest in a system for your family. Or if you have an old system that's kind of worn out and you want to replace it with a high efficiency, state-of-the-art new system, now's the time. Our Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals are only available online and only until December 2nd. Click the link up here, it'll take you right to our information page, and on there will be the links to all the items. The pricing will appear automatically, no coupon codes required. Check it out today.